Hi everyone, my name is James Arn and I'm the lead developer of Super Kart Racing. This game is a project that I wanted to bring to everyone for their mobile Android and iOS devices. I took notice some time back that the app stores lacked a more serious version of a kart racing game, one that more accurately simulated what it was like to roar around in a high-powered go-kart. I downloaded a few karting games on the App Store and I wasn't finding a game that included all of the core aspects of a great kart racing game. The sense of speed, a multiplayer implementation, good leaderboards, and the ability to customize your kart. So now that you know why I'm developing Super Kart Racing, let's talk about how I intend on developing the game. I'm an established game developer with 5 years experience, and I've worked on projects for Electronic Arts, Activision, THQ, Disney Pixar, Codemasters, and Majesco. You can see some of these titles down on a graphic in the story section. I anticipate about 6 months of development for Super Kart Racing. This is based on the current track plans, the amount of environments needed, the amount of features that will be implemented into the game, the amount of player kart models required, the amount of AI kart models required, all of the front-end UI work to be completed, and all of the game's scripted functionality such as front-end menus, save data, player selection, kart customization, and all of the multiplayer aspects. We need this funding to cover software licenses for Unity, the needed plugins for use within Unity, audio assets, outsourcing the 3D artwork services, hosting costs for the website, and cloud service fees. We'll also need funds to sustain development in our studio, such as keeping our lights on, internet provider costs, utilities, and other day-to-day expenses. As for testing, we are already users of TestFlight for beta and alpha testing builds of the game for iOS. This will be our go-to method for prior testing of game builds. This will ensure good QA and bug reports. Testing within our own team will occur daily as well. I don't anticipate complications with builds or testing on the iOS devices, as testing has gone smoothly so far. We have credentials and certificates installed on both an iPad 2, an iPhone 3GS, as well as an iPhone 4S for testing. Android testing will be done via emulation initially in the development environment and then on a Samsung Galaxy 2 Android device. We'll do the core of the QA work for Android using APK distribution lists to approve QA testers. The Fatbox software team has the skills to see this game through to completion. We also have the passion and desire to bring this game to the market. The only aspect that we're lacking is enough funding to see this game through to the market. We have the tools to accomplish what we need, and we only need to augment what we already have to accomplish the goal. And this is why we've turned to you, the public, fellow game enthusiasts, and even developers. Everyone in every corner of the world to help us make this game a reality. I'm especially excited for this game to be realized for the folks who have fond memories of go-karting as a child, or even to the professionals who race high-end karts at Daytona. It's my hope that this game has wide appeal to anyone outside the sport as well. Our team and myself have the experience, the skills, and the drive to make this an awesome game. The last part of the puzzle is you, the last part of the team to help realize this vision.